Hey y'all, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm gonna be doing a lace wig tutorial for you guys, and the wig that I'm gonna be using today, it is from SHEIN, of course. They're 100% human hair. In the box with the wig I got this pair of wig cap. This is the wig, guys. So let's just show what we have on the inside. So inside we have 4 clips, 2 in the sides, 1 in the top as you can see there, and another one in the back of it. So here is the outer look of the wig, guys. A really pretty burgundy with blonde in the front of it, and the length of this wig is 28 inches. The density is 180%, and it has a 13x4 lace on the front of it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on before doing anything at all to it, because I just want to see how it looks. And let me tell you guys, as soon as I put this wig on me, it fits just like a glove. I was absolutely surprised and amazed at the same time, because I just couldn't believe how well it fit. Unlike a lot of wigs that I put on, I have to do so much to it just for it to sit properly on my head, but I really love the way this fit. So I'm just telling y'all right now, I don't know if they come in different sizes, but this one was just perfect for my head. I can't say that I knew I was gonna love it because of the lace. I mean, I was digging everything about it except for the lace, but let me tell y'all, I ended up actually really loving it. I had to put in some work, you know, with the lace, but other than that, I absolutely really did fall in love with this wig. So I added foundation on the lace just so y'all know before I put it back on, and now I'm getting ready to, you know, secure it down. I'm not going to be using lace glue today. I'm going to be using gel. First, I'm going to go ahead and cut off these extra pieces of lace from over my ears so the wig will fit, you know, perfectly against my skin. Now I'm just gonna flip it back to apply the gel, and I just love how easy it was to just roll it back and apply the gel. I am so, I don't know, like 98% positive that this could be a glueless wig. If it's not a glueless wig, well, I don't know, it's like the closest thing to glueless wig. I mean, the way how it fits so good around my head, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm just applying my gel right now, and I'm gonna dry it down a little bit before I put the lace down on it. After putting the lace down on the gel, I like to use my comb to brush back any little flyaway hair, because it can be so annoying gluing those down where you don't want them. I'm gonna use my Evan Wonder Lace Bond Adhesive Spray as some extra security on it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my elastic band to tie the lace down so it could completely dry. I'm gonna apply some edge wax stick onto the hair, but first I like to rub it into my hands and then rub my hands together and then over the hair. For some reason I like doing it this way instead of just applying it directly onto the hair. And I'm gonna make sure I rub it all over the hair because I want it going throughout the hair. This is gonna help with any frizz and flyaway hair. Now I'm gonna go over it with my hot comb to lay down, you know, the hair around the parting, and this is a step I could have skipped with this unit because it was already laying flat. Here I'm cutting the lace off, and I'm doing it in section because I found that this works better for me. Here I'm applying more spray onto the lace around the edges because this spray definitely helps to melt the lace in. I'm also applying some mousse because I want this part of my hair to, you know, kind of lay down in the front. Like I want to brush it back in, and then I'm gonna add my elastic band on there, but I'm gonna fix up my sideburns first. Now I'm gonna tie it down once again and let it completely dry while I work on the rest of the hair. So this hair is straight and can be worn this way, but because of the color in the front, I decided that I'm gonna curl it. I just feel like that's gonna look so good. Now that I'm all done with the hair, I'm gonna go change my outfit, and I'm also gonna be combing out the curls a little bit before showing you guys the final reveal. So here's the finished look, you guys. I absolutely love this hair. I think what I really love about it is that blonde streak in the front of it. I also absolutely love the length. It's 28 inches like I told you guys before, so it's super long and it looks so gorgeous. Y'all already know I gotta do my spin and show y'all the back of the hair, and this is what it looks like. It's beautiful. The colors popping. Like, somebody please pinch me because I still can't believe this is a SHEIN wig. Every time I get a new wig from them, I get more impressed. So they are doing their thing over there with these wigs. I will be linking this down in my description box, so definitely check that out. I will leave all the information for it. I'll leave the link for it, and you know, the link for their website, so you could find, you know, whatever hair you want on there. Don't forget to use my discount code whenever you go on their website to purchase any of their hair. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.